Hi everyone, welcome in. My name's Linda and thank you for joining me here today for my December giveaway. It's the first Tuesday of the month and can you believe we're on countdown now to Christmas? Wow. I hope all of you are well. You can find me here obviously on YouTube, and you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook. I have a Facebook group if you'd like to join me. It does say Linda's Crochet Nookery, but if you're a knitter like myself and crochet like me, I knit and crochet, then please do join us there and share your work and your links to upcoming videos that you've got going on and that. So yeah, let's make the end of this year go out with a blast, guys. Okay, so you're thinking, Linda, what have you got for the last giveaway of 2022? Well guys, I have got some ice yarn in this lovely blue. Now I apologise for the crinkle, I need to get one out of the bag, and it's this lovely blue. It's like a stormy sky blue, but it is blue, guys, trust me. So you get 4 of these and there's 50 grams, yeah, 50 grams, and this is silk merino hand dyed yarn, 80% superwash merino, 20% silk, 50 grams, 330 meters, which is about 340 odd yards, and it's a 2-weight, guys, but it's really nice and squishy, and it's just scrumptious yarn. So yeah, so you get that. So you get 200 grams of this yarn, which will make a nice cowl. You could add another weight to it to make it a DK. You could add two weights to make a DK, and then as always, guys, you get notions as well. So what you're going to get this time, you're going to get a little box with stitch markers in, a pen, a unicorn, a little notepad to jot your notes down, and a set of 2 tapestry needles, and you're also getting a clover. I'm not sure what clover make, but I bought this because everybody was saying how, and I can't use it, guys. So it is new. I've only used it the once, but it's a 3.5, and I prefer my clover and moors, guys. But yeah, it's only been used as I don't even think I've made anything with it. I just tried it and I don't like it, guys. So, but each to their own, hey guys. We all like our different hooks and needles and whatever. So, for this and the notions, I need you to, first of all, be a subscriber of my channel. You must be a subscriber of my channel, guys. I must be able to see that you are a subscriber. If I can't see that you're subscribed to me, then I have to pick another winner. What else? You must be 18 years or over, 18 years of age and over. I will pay for the postage to whichever part of the world you live in, but I will not pay taxes. So when the parcel comes to you and your government want taxes, I'm not responsible for them. YouTube is not responsible or in any way connected with this giveaway. As I always say, it's purchased by myself and and Rick, obviously, and it is worldwide. All my giveaways, guys, are worldwide. I will post to anywhere in the world. I just will not pay for the taxes when they come to your country. And I do mark on the parcel slip that it's a gift, so it's down to each country's take on what they they take taxes for. So as I say, guys, all the description, all the information is in the description box below. There is a link there to show you how to make your channel public, so I can actually see you're subscribed to me. And the word that I want you to put in the in your comment, please, you must put a comment, guys, otherwise I won't know that you're entering, is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. That's the short and sweet and simple. So I want to wish you all good luck. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.